Hey kids, today we are going to learn about beautiful birds. First, parrot, colorful bird that have large, hooked beak. Parrot. Hoopoe, a bird with a fabulous crown of feathers on its head. Hoopoe. Canary, a small beautiful yellow or greenish bird. Canary. A lapwing is small bird which has feathers sticking up on its head. Lapwing bird. Puffins are the parrots of the sea. They are known as sea parrots. Puffin's bird. Sparrow, small, brownish or grayish songbirds. Sparrow. The birds woodpecker are known for pecking holes in tree bark. Woodpecker. The hornbill is tropical bird. On its top there is a huge helmet like bony extension. Hornbill. Eagle are large birds. They hunt and eat animals for food. Eagle. Pigeons are gentle, plump, small-billed birds. Pigeons. Owl has large, fixed eyes and the ability to turn their head to look directly behind. Owl. Peacock is a large bird, has colorful tail feathers and spread them open like a fan. Peacock. Dove is a plump white bird that makes a cooing sound. Dove. Crow, a shiny black bird known for its shrill, harsh cry. Crow. Swan is water bird with heavy body and long neck. Swan. Flamingo is tall, mostly pink color bird with long legs. Flamingo. A hummingbird is a small bird with brightly colored, glittery feathers. Hummingbird. Quail is a small bird, has short neck, wide wings and square tail. Quail. Ostrich is the largest living bird. The ostrich cannot fly, but it can run very fast. Ostrich. Penguins are flightless seabirds. They're known for being excellent swimmers. Penguin. Pelican is a water bird with a long beak and a large throat pouch. Pelican. Nightingale is a small with a big musical beautiful voice. Nightingale. Seagull is a white aquatic bird having long pointed wings and short legs. Seagull. Robin bird is a small gray-brown and orange-colored bird. Robin bird. Crane is a large bird with a long beak and long neck. Crane bird. And goose is a large bird with a webbed feet. Goose hang out around ponds and lakes. Goose.